Morning. Our theme today is Our Light Will Not Be Extinguished, from the writings of the Maccabees and the pronouncements of Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu dahil sa kaguluhang mga nangyayari dyan. Pero ang tingin ko doon sa itong picture na pinalabas natin, ang tingin ko doon parang maaga rin mag-celebrate ng Pasko ang Israel eh. Alam mo 'yon? Kasi naman talaga diyan talaga galing ang Pasko. Diyan talaga una nagsimula. Kaya nga palagi nating sinasabi dito. What light is that are we talking about? Ito yung pinakailaw ng Israel eh. Yan yung pinakailaw ng Israel. At ito ay sinabi na mismo ng Panginoon. Nung sinabi niya when He identified Himself as before Abraham was, I am. That is the identity of God Himself in talking to Moses in Mount Sinai. When Moses asked God, what will I tell Pharaoh? Who sent me? What is his name? Ang sagot ng Panginoon, I am. I am. Siya na yon. In the New Testament, when the disciples were asking Him, where to, Lord? Where is the way? Jesus Christ said, I am. I am the way, the truth, and the life, and no one comes to the Father except through me. Bakit siya may ama? Anak siya eh. Anak siya. He is the only one of a kind human being who is also God. Through the power of the Holy Spirit, Jesus came to our life as a human being. He went through the process of being born from the womb of his mother. For 9 months, he was in the womb of Mary for 9 months. It has to be that way because he is to become like us. As the saying goes in the Old Testament, Elijah is a man just like us. Propeta Elijah. So kaya nga, meron tayong Christmas. Kaya tayo nagsiselebrate ng Christmas. Kasi in Jesus Christ is our Jehovah Jireh. During the times of from Abraham, Isaac, during the time of Abraham and Isaac, before Israel was, or Jacob was, he was the Jehovah Jireh. God will provide. And then he is also Jehovah Nissi. So it's not easy to touch Israel because we have our Jehovah Nissi. And then he is also the God of our peace. As Christmas would show the joy of Christmas and the peace of Christmas, he is also our Jehovah Shalom. Yan yung mga maraming identity ng Panginoon noon pa. And why is he the root and offspring of David? And then it didn't stop there. As the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end, the root and offspring of David, and the bright morning star. That is the light that will never be extinguished. Our Jehovah Jireh, our Jehovah Nissi, our Jehovah Shalom.